Hello friends, today the weather is so good, so we'll talk more about money and we will talk about how to raise your own salary with a foolproof technique by Napoleon Hill. This is by acquiring knowledge. We'll be speaking about the skills to increase your shares of life riches, and we will see a good message how to raise your own salary by Napoleon Hill. First, you have to understand that your income is directly related to your self-confidence, self-esteem. Yes. He emphasizes on the importance of self-confidence and self-esteem in one's income and building the strategies. The number two summarization Napoleon Hill gives is the power of positive attitude and thinking in achieving success. Here, the importance of maintaining a positive attitude, even in the lookout of setbacks and challenges, is emphasized. The third, your thought and desires have power to shape your reality. Yes, your thoughts and desires have the power to shape your reality. Here, Hill explains the concept of law of attraction, how the thoughts and desires are linked, and we can attract success and opportunities. Fourth, the most important thing is setting up a clarity in mind of your goals. In short, setting specific clear goals of your career and finances. Actually, here, how to create the plan and how to achieve the goal is given in a structured way, which you can learn in the DM. If you will type goal setting green goal book GGB, I would be giving you a free program on setting up your goals and achieving your goals. Develop a growth mindset and be open to learn and work on your self-improvement. Growth mindset and being open for learning and self-improvement makes you increase your potential and ultimately your income. The sixth, the value of strong relationships and networking in your career. Actually, how will you get money? Very simply, from another human being. And this happens with connection, and connection happens with communication. Seventh, take calculated risk and step out of your comfort zone to achieve success. Here we want to encourage Napoleon Hill encourages people to take risk, because coming out of your comfort zone means growth. Eighth, develop a sense of purpose and meaning to your work, aligning with your values. Sense of purpose and meaning, one's work, aligning it with one's value gives you a sense of lot of fulfillment and success. And believe me, this fulfillment is very important internally, and it impacts your results. The more it is, it impacts your results. The ninth, importance of being proactive and take initiative in your career, that is action. Nothing will happen just by thinking. You have to take actions. Actions is equal to results. It's totally a consistent, disciplined action will give you results. So no amount of talent is actually important, or actually the very big thing in today's world. The more important, where you have to concentrate, as Napoleon Hill says, is consistency and discipline. Your earning potential is directly related to the value you provide to others. The bigger the value, the higher the problem, the severe the issue of a person you solve, you get paid accordingly, the big way. Additional takeaways of this book is the importance of cultivating a sense of gratitude, which is scientific. Gratitude has frequency more than 500. The importance of appreciating yourself and others could attract more abundance and success in your life. And the value of seeking out to mentors and coaches to take support is actually a very, very, very easy shortcut to success. The need to be adaptable, resilient also is emphasized here. And with so many strategies, there's a mention how to stay focused on the goals and how to also work on the pressure, performance pressure and stress. So friends, if you love this and if you want a goal setting course free of cost for you, my dear friend, just let me know in the DM and we would be giving you access to this course. I I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you like and subscribe the channel, because this is all about productivity and you bringing more earning and energy per hour. This is Dr. Nahid Khan, and I work on money, the psychology of money, and how I work is with the time audit. Once you know what to do with your time, auditing the time, first being aware of it, that is the time, inner mindset, money and energy, TIME, your life changes.